That's it. Untangle yourself. See that bee? That's what they do when they know you're not a threat. She's going to try and unwind her stinger so that she doesn't lose her life. Go on, little girl, you can do it. Don't pull your bum out. Come on, little girl. Don't fly off. Oh, well, she lost the end of her stinger, but she didn't leave the sac behind. So she knew I weren't a threat, so she gave up trying to kill me and kill herself, and she flew away. Got another one doing it. She knows I'm not a threat, so if she can pull her barb back out without losing her ass, she'll live. Go on, girl. Come on, girl. I don't think I can help it. Maybe with the olive tool. No, she left it behind.